What is going on? Parker Chmiel here. I'm happy to announce this brand new training series that I'm going to be releasing every single week. What it's called is my weekly recaps. And essentially what this is you're getting an inside look at what I teach my paid students. So each week I take the biggest questions I get from my paid students in my group, one-on-one coaching, one-on-one messages, and I do a quick training video every single week, 5-10 minute training video, just to describe those little answers. Now, before I move on, what I want to say is if you're interested in learning more about, my paid coaching, and we're learning about how to get more access to all the stuff you see them asking questions about, go ahead and book a call right down below this video. It's going to be the first link you see right in the caption. With that being said, if you have any questions on affiliate marketing, feel free to comment down below and maybe I'll include them in next week's video. But for now, here's the weekly recap. The one biggest question is, how do I choose a niche, right? And these are for people that are just getting started. If you already have chosen your niche, don't have to worry about today's weekly recap. But if you are getting started and you want to learn how to choose a niche, here's how to do it, right? So module number 2, lesson number 2, finding your niche exercise. I'm just going to put it here as well, just so I can read it off to you guys so you know. But essentially, we want to do this exercise because it's really, really powerful to find a niche that you love that you can actually make a lot of money doing it with. So step number 1 is to write out everything you love to do, right? Things you love to do, things that you have interest in, things that you're passionate about. Step 2 is write all of the big influencers you follow online and list out their niche market and products they sell. Right? So these are people that you really, really like online, people you follow, people you interact with, people you're actually looking at online. Could be celebrities, could be famous people, could be just big influencers online. List out what they do, what their niche is, and what they sell. Step 3, write out all the products, activities, and services that make you excited or smile, right? And when I say that, it's, what gets you excited, what gets you passionate, because that's what we're going to actually want to be doing with this. Step number 4, cross off all the ones you're not able to monetize and make money with. So in the earlier part of this lesson inside the course, we talk about the biggest, best niches to get into, which ones are profitable, which ones are not. We really want to focus on the big 3 and then, sub niches of those big 3 with their health, wealth, and relationships. So if you're in a niche and you find one that's not profitable, that's not in one of those big 3, then maybe it's not a great idea to go and use that. So we want to cross those off. Step number 5. Rank your interests based on 2 criteria. Criteria number 1, which one's your favorite and gets you the most excited? And then criteria number 2, which ones have the highest income potential, right? And so we want to do this, cross off the ones that have no income potential and list them out based on, these 2 criteria and to get a better sense of, which ones we're actually going to follow through with in step number 6. And then finally, like I said, step number 6, choose a niche based on the top items on your list. So this is a quick exercise to, get some ideas flowing and actually go and choose a niche. We designed this little exercise just so people that are just getting started can actually go and do this, right? And listen, if you're still confused after this, ask us, right? Ask us. So what I've been doing for a lot of students that come into the program is, they'll send me a list of 2 or 3 niches that they've thought of. They've gone through this exercise. They can't decide on which ones to do. And so I've been helping them, decide on which ones based on their goals, based on, what they want to make and their income potential. So if you're still confused, just send me a message or post it in the group saying, hey, I have 2 or 3 different niches I'm trying to decide between. Which one do you guys recommend, right? And we'll be sure to answer it right away. This is what you want to do if, that niche exercise, you're a little confused on that. So that's what we want to do is just ask, right? We've done this in the past for a ton of students. Don't be afraid to ask for help on this. It seems simple enough, but it can be really difficult to decide on a niche, especially if you have 2 or 3 that you're really interested in, on which one's actually going to be the one, you want to go full time with this business. So just ask, we'll be able to help you 100%. So like I said at the beginning of this video, if you want to learn more about what they're actually asking questions about, you want the full training, the full support, the full Facebook group, the full everything, feel free to book a call down below to speak with my head coach to see if it's the right fit for you. And if you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you want to try it out for yourself, I've also linked down below my brand new 5-day fast track challenge. The goal of this challenge is to help you build an affiliate marketing business in the next 5 days. So it's someone that's never started a business before. It's perfect for you to actually go and get started with. So if you'd like to learn more about my full coaching, feel free to book a free strategy call with my head coach. And if you want to just get started on your own without having to talk to anyone, feel free to sign up for the 5-day challenge down below. And we'll see you next time.